Here we are, me and Jake's place. That's where I've been taking him to for the past month and a half. Giving him some little time to heal, get better, get his strength back up. And as you can see, he's enjoying himself greatly. Come on, boy. Try to bring him out here at least twice a day on the weekends, and every day during the week before I go to work. And he loves it out here. So many different smells. You notice foxes out here. There's been deer out here, feral cats, some wild dogs. Been seeing some bones around here from kills. Probably some coyotes out here too. I know plenty of rabbits, mice. And of course Jake looks enough like a wolf that most of the animals around here keep far away, since he looks like he's top of the food chain. Isn't that right, boy? Yeah, he loves it out here. Lots of room to run. Lots of different smells. Isn't that right, boy? And if he didn't have his collar on, he would look like a wolf. Yeah, don't go in there, boy. You get all stuck up. All kind of pricklies in there. You go this way? Let's go. Definitely a lot of different vegetation out here. Blackberry bushes all over the place. Yeah, see? Told you, stickies. He doesn't like stepping on the stickies. Ain't that right, boy? We were out here early today and he got caught the scent of something. He was wanting to track that down from one end of this place to the other. Couldn't figure out what it was. Come on. Don't get caught up in there. Get ticks all over you. Yeah. Definitely a lot of different smells out here. I have no idea what this place was at one time. I know there were some buildings out here. A lot of old buildings. Crumbled foundations. There's some burnt out places around here too, so whatever was out here probably burnt to the ground. I know that one time this place probably was a parking lot. There's a lot of old asphalt crumbled up and stuff. Perfect for a very adventurous dog. And oh, yep, there's one of the bones I was talking about. Don't know what it's from, but yeah, we don't want to get that. That's nasty. Who knows who's been gnawing on that. It's a nice place out here for him, especially for him to walk around, explore for a little bit. And of course, it's the only place I take him off leash. Don't have to worry about nobody out here, though I'm sure I've seen plenty of evidence, teenagers coming out here partying. Looked like there was a bonfire out here the other night, a bunch of old charred wood and stuff, so it's probably a favorite drinking place, making out place for the teens around here. From what I've seen, there's only one accessible road, though I really haven't explored too much. It's so grown up around here during the summertime. Very hard to get through too much. And this is one of the foundations that we found out here. I don't know if it was a house at one time or a building or what. Jake certainly seems like smelling around here in different times. Isn't that right, boy? All right, you ready? Yeah. Still warm out here. And I can tell he's getting a little bit tired. Another reason why I do them on more extensive when it's later in the day like this. That way it won't be as hot. He's got such a thick coat. And as you can see, he's starting to shed a little bit too, though. But since he's getting better and he's been eating a lot better, his shedding doesn't seem to be as bad as it was before. And as you can see, he's gained a lot of weight. And he's put on more muscle too, so that's definitely been a plus. Plus he's feeling a lot better too. And he enjoys these little walks. We usually stay out here for about a good anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes, according to how hot it is and according to how much energy he's got. But yeah, he does look like a wolf, don't he? If he didn't have that collar on, he definitely would look like one. Coming out of the woods like that. No doubt if somebody came up on us, they'd probably poop all over themselves seeing him. He's not exactly a small dog. Isn't that right, boy? I know. You ready to go? Huh? You thirsty? Yeah, I know. You thirsty. Let's get back to the house. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm coming. I only got 2 feet. Alright. So there's our little nature trail for the day, folks. That's me and Jake signing off.